as you can see straight away, I can tell the difference between the previous version and this one. Hi guys, Jean from SSW, and today I'm going to show you the difference between the Markdown Editor web part and the Rich Text Editor web part. So as you can see here, we have our intranet, and in this homepage you can see a link to the internal project. So this page is nice, but the first problem I've got with it is the layout. As you can see, it's in 2 columns, so it's a little bit hard to navigate. We can see the different projects, such as Time Pro, rules, people, etc. But yeah, it's hard to navigate when you scroll down. The other problem I've got with this page is that we are using the Markdown web part here. Although it has a preview, it makes it a little bit hard to edit. So when it's a small one such as this, it's okay. But when you get to those columns, you have a lot of content. So it makes it super hard to edit. The last problem I've got with this web part is the history. So if you go to the page history, clicking page details, then version history, as you can see, if I look through the different versions, you can tell which bits have been updated, which controls have been updated, but you don't see the details. So for instance, this Markdown web part has been edited in the last version, but I don't know exactly what has been edited. So what we've done is we've got a beta version here that is using the Rich Text Editor instead. Also, what we've done is we've used collapsible sections into one column to ease the navigation. It's much cleaner, I think, and it's easier to find what you're looking for. But let's go into the edit page or edit screen, see how it works. So as you can see here, the Rich Text Editor web part has a lot of controls, just like the Markdown. You can do all sorts of cool stuff, embed videos and whatever. But let's have a look at what it looks like when you edit it. So let me remove that sentence, for instance, and add a, I don't know, this is a test. Let me republish, and let's have a look at what the history looks like for the Rich Text Editor web part. So if I click page details, then scroll down to the version history and enable highlights, changes, as you can see straight away, I can tell the difference between the previous version and this one. We are in version 62. As you can see, this page has been edited quite a lot. We use it a lot at SSW. And as you can see straight away, I've removed this sentence and added this bit. That makes it super, super valuable compared to the Markdown version, because I can track straight away what has been edited in the last version. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you prefer the text editor or the Markdown Editor web part, and I'll see you next time.